Hello everyone, welcome to KNC 1101 Chemical and Engineering Lab 1. We are from Group 8 and we are going to discuss about the open-ended lab, which is the Charles Law experiment. What is first law of thermodynamics? First law of thermodynamics stated that the energy is conserved. It can be neither be created nor destroyed. It means that the energy can be transformed from one energy form to another energy. Hello everyone. Charles Law stated that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature and the pressure remains constant, and the volume varies with T. In this experiment, where a balloon will be kept in a bowl for a short time, whether in the hot water or cold water at different conditions. Yeah. So from there, we want to calculate the diameter of the balloon when immersed in the bowl, and the time taken will be taken when the balloon will be expanded or deflated.
Okay, our purposes for this experiment is to study the changes of the volume taken at the room temperature. Next, to study the effect of the sizes of the balloon changes. Other than that, we can study the relationship between the temperature and the volume of the gases. Okay, next is our about variable of this experiment. For manipulated variables, we can identify the temperature of the liquid. Then the responding variable is we can see the sizing of a balloon. For the constant variable, we can surely see the volume of the liquid is constant.
For the hypothesis part, we are going to have three hypotheses for this experiment. The first one is the volume of the balloon increase, the temperature of the ball also increase. That is related to the Charles law. Yeah. The second one is the time taken of the balloon to increase. The size of the balloon in the ball also increase. And the last but not least, as the diameter of a balloon increase, the volume of a balloon also increase.
Next is methodology. For general startup procedure, first, the water was boiled, then the balloon was blown and its initial circumference was measured. For its experimental procedure, first, the boiled water was poured into a bowl, then the balloon was immersed into the bowl. Then next, the circumference of the balloon was measured after a few minutes. Lastly, step 1 until 3 were repeated by using boiled water. For general shutdown procedure, the used water was poured into the drain. As for safety and precaution, gloves and clothes was used when the balloon was being immersed in the boiled water. These steps needs to be taken so that we can prevent any injuries from happening.